Welcome, Kim Hun, English Conversation.
Hello everyone, welcome to our English podcast for beginners. Today's topic is food and drinks.
Yes, we will practice ordering food, and we will also talk about our favorite meals. Are you hungry? Part 1 General questions about food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What food don't you like?
I don't like very oily food.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat chicken, beef, and pork.
What food do you eat when you are happy?
I eat ice cream when I am happy.
What food do you eat when you are sad?
I eat noodles when I am sad.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food, but not every day.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home.
What is your favorite soup?
My favorite soup is chicken soup.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I like sweet food.
Do you like sour food?
No, I don't like sour food.
Do you eat seafood?
Yes, I eat fish, shrimp, and crab.
What food is popular in your country?
Rice and noodles are popular in my country.
Do you like to try new food?
Yes, I like to try new food. Part 2 Talking about drinks.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening.